All right, I just put these 3 bridal leather hides on the table. I'm going to inspect them and polish them. I got a bunch of bridal leather that I'm going to be cutting up and preparing for briefcases, a bunch of briefcases, maybe another dozen or so, and multiple different colors. I'm working on some new styles that I'm going to be making, and you'll see in the coming weeks as I'm messing with them, I'm making them. So these are 3 bridal hides. I just got this stuff. I just took them out of there. I got some more leather there. If you've seen my other video of those 2 navy hides, I polished them up. I also have some darker chocolate bridal behind that I'm also going to be making. So it's pretty much those, these, and some more colors, some more, maybe another 4, I think 5 hides in there. All right, so underneath this, these 2, these are all these are mini bends, as they're called. It's just the butt section. It's pretty much the best section of the bull that you can get, and it's usually towards the butt section. The fibers are the tightest. This is the cleanest. You can just see them. They're just clean. They're perfect. They're the best of the hides. On the bottom, it's longer because that also has the butt section, and then it goes all the way up to the shoulder. So you have that shoulder, and you could see when you get closer to the shoulder, you get these stretch marks. That's mainly because of the animal as it's feeding. A lot of times it's picking its head up. A lot of the farmers, they'll have the feeds, slightly higher, so he's got to always pick his head up to eat, and you'll get those stretch marks around here. It doesn't do anything to the leather. The leather is still fine. You can see the inside is perfect. It's just that it gets stretchier, slightly stretchier up there. But down here where the back is, where the butt is, it's just perfect. It's the tightest grain. It's great for the briefcases that I make. The majority of the parts are usually made in this section, and maybe like in the middle or the smaller parts I'll cut from there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna polish these up. This is London Tan. This is Conquer, I think they call it. It's like a medium brown. And on the bottom is an Aussie brown. It's closer to like a chocolate or really dark brown. You can see all the waxes that are just coming and forming on it. You see this haze right here, this waxy haze. That's what's sought after when you deal with bridal leather, good, authentic bridal leather. It's that waxy haze that this English tannery uses. And you see the inside is perfect, man. You don't even need lining for these briefcases. Look at that. It's just perfect. It's all the wax build up. So that's what's sought after when you deal with authentic English bridal leather that comes from the UK tanneries. A little bit different from the American tanneries. It's not as waxy. You're not going to get all that wax. So, all right. So that's that. And I'm going to get to polishing these guys.